Morning, children. Today we will study moral science. Today I have taken chapter 4, punctuality, for our subject matter. So when we speak of punctuality or when we hear the word punctual, we understand that that particular person is on time for any work or class or any activity or any other program. In this way we understand. So coming on time for any work or also class, it will be called punctuality. Now when we speak of this punctuality, we understand regularity, precise, promptness, timeliness, in other words, timeliness. So, dear children, today just I will read the text here, then I will explain to you. You see in the warm section you see. Please take page number 23. Page 23. Point number 1. How do you feel when a patient dies due to the unpunctuality of the doctor? 2 point. How do you feel when you miss your exam due to the delay of your car driver? 3 point. How do you feel when your helper is late and does not have the courtesy of saying sorry or expressing regret for the delay? 4 point. Lack of seriousness on the part of an individual or taking things lightly may result in unpunctuality. Other things include weak memory, improper planning, and not smart in time management. 5th point. Defense personnel are trained to be disciplined and punctual. They stick to punctuality whether it is rain, sunshine, or storm. So, dear children, here the word punctuality is here. So now the question is, what is punctuality? What is punctuality? What is punctuality? Now there are so many answers given here. But the best one is, you see, punctuality is a habit of doing things on time. You see, answer is punctuality is a habit of doing things on time. Okay, and there are so many other definitions are given here. So children, I will explain this particular text in my next class. Please read the text so that it is easy for you, and especially you read what is punctuality here. See, punctuality is a habit of doing things on time. So this word is very important here. So please, when we are in school, when we are in family, or wherever we are, especially when you come to the school, we have to be punctual. When we are late, we feel ashamed, we don't feel like attending the class, teacher also will tell something. So we need to be punctual everywhere. May it be program, school, sports, games, competition, wherever we are or whatever places we are, we have to be punctual always. So please keep in mind these things, so that it will help us, and it will especially it will help you in your future life. So thank you children for paying attention. I will continue this same particular chapter in my next class. Thank you.